You already know the sentence. You've heard it your whole life. You're too sensitive. Not yelled, not whispered, just stated, like a fact. You were told to toughen up, to stop reacting, to stop taking things so personally. You learned how to apologize for crying, for needing space, for feeling things faster and deeper than everyone else. And after a while, you stopped arguing back. You assumed they were right. Here's the part no one ever told you. That label was wrong. There's nothing broken in you, nothing fragile, nothing that needs fixing. What you were given wasn't a flaw, it was a different nervous system. Psychology has a name for it, but honestly, the name doesn't matter. What matters is this: your brain is built to detect more. While most people move through life on low resolution, you're picking up detail after detail after detail. Tone shifts, facial tension, energy in a room before anyone speaks. You don't overreact, you over-receive, and that changes everything. This isn't personality, it's hardware. Your brain processes information differently than most people, not emotionally, biologically. Most brains are designed to filter hard. They ignore most of what's coming in so they don't burn out. Yours doesn't. Your system keeps the channel open. You notice the hum of appliances, the stiffness in someone's smile, the weird silence after a sentence that sounded fine on the surface. Your brain treats all of it as meaningful. That's why you get overwhelmed, and also why you see things other people walk straight past. Then there's empathy. For you, empathy isn't an idea, it's a physical experience. You don't just understand that someone is anxious, your chest tightens with them. You don't just recognize sadness, your body mirrors it. You leave conversations heavier than you arrived, and you don't even know why. That's not imagination, that's neural simulation. Your brain runs other people's emotions like they're your own, which sounds poetic until you realize how exhausting it is. And then there's the thing you probably beat yourself up for the most: the pause. The moment where everyone else reacts instantly and you don't. You think, you hesitate, you replay. You wonder why you're slower, why words don't always come out fast, why decisions feel heavier for you. Here's the truth: you're not slow, you're processing deeply. Your brain doesn't just respond to what's happening, it cross-checks it. Past experiences, possible outcomes, subtext, meaning. While others skim the surface, you're running simulations. That pause isn't weakness, it's computation. And yes, it costs you. You hit overload faster, your system fills up. When you suddenly shut down, need silence, need darkness, need distance, that's not drama, that's capacity. Your mind reached its limit. And if you're wondering why evolution didn't erase this trait, here's the answer nobody talks about. Because the group needed you. Always has. A world full of risk-takers collapses without planners, without early warning, without people who notice subtle danger before it becomes obvious. You weren't built to charge first. You were built to see first. The problem is the modern world doesn't reward that. It's loud, fast, aggressive, designed for constant output. So you feel out of sync, out of place, like you're failing at a game everyone else understands. But being out of place doesn't mean being useless. It means the environment isn't designed for you. Some people thrive anywhere. They're resilient no matter the conditions. Others need the right setup to function at their best. And when you're placed correctly, with space, boundaries, and recovery, you don't just survive, you outperform. You don't need thicker skin, you need fewer assaults on your nervous system. You don't need to numb yourself. The world already has enough numb people. What it doesn't have enough of are people who notice, who feel, who sense when something's off before it breaks. So the next time someone says you're too sensitive, pause. Not out loud, internally, and remember this: you're not defective. You're calibrated differently. You're seeing the world in higher resolution. And that's not a burden. It's responsibility. If this felt uncomfortably familiar, say one thing in the comments. What drains you the fastest? Just one sentence. And if you've ever wondered whether your silence, your distance, or your low online presence is strength or anxiety, that's not random either. There's psychology behind that too.